Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you the alternative of File Explorer. So this is the default Explorer in Windows 11. But if you really want to change it and you want to customize it, so I have reviewed two options for that, and those are best, so you can choose any of them. So the first one is File Apps, this one. So when I go to here, and you just need to go to this website, and you can get this link, download Insider Pro, and click on Classic Installer. But if you want to support the community of the Microsoft, you can pay for it. And another one is One Commander. This is only for home use. Professional is for, you can see here, for the fees here, but we can use it for home use. So you need to click on download installer, and I will show you both of the features and its benefits. As you can see here, the first one is File Apps. So this is the interface of this. Its feature is when you click anywhere on it, let's say you want to, so you will see additional preview and bar on it. In the traditional File Explorer, you need to right click on the it, and you need to go to show more options, like this options. But in this you can get simply click on that option, and here is, you can see the properties options, and you can see the all the details here, and you can also customize its features, advanced features. Settings will be same, but interface is different here. When I open the normal File Explorer, so you have to click on that, and you need to, if you want to see its properties, then right click on it, show more options, and like that, whatever it is, and you have to look for that option. But in this you will get a different windows and also the different interface. Apart from that, you can look for this, and let's open that, and some of the options you can see here. You can see the selection options, select all, invert selection, also the preview, and many more. Details, list the options like this. These kind of options are available, like columns, and this is the default one, the details one. So if you want to install it, just go to that website, just install its exe, and you can pin it to the taskbar. And if you want to use it, if File Explorer is not working or it is crashing or giving you the errors, so you can simply download this apps, and you will get a different interface, as well as the, you can also look for new pans here, open new pan, you can get same windows, and if you want to remove it, preview, right click on it, but I have seen some drawback of this files apps. Some of the user has reported that it is crashing and it is not working properly as expected. So so this is the first one. Now let's, Now let's move on to the now second software, and that is One Commander. I will also review this software. Just click on download MSI, and you need to install its exe. Either you can download it from directly exe, or you can go to the Microsoft and you can type here One Commander and you will get it. Now I have already downloaded that from Microsoft. Just click on open, and once you open that, let's review it as well. So you will see the classic single, standard dual. So I'm going for classic single one, and you can choose two of them. So I'm choosing the first option here, show folder sizes. You can also select this option. It will give you all the details of the folders. Now this is the license agreement, and now next, and it's done now. And this is very easy, and I believe it is faster than previous one which I have shown you, and its feature is different. Here you can see here the interface is different, and I like this one. You can see same options you will get here directly. Properties, options, coloring, you can also choose that option, and same details, and even it is working faster here. So two options you have, guys, and you can choose any of them, like rename, compress, open with, all the details and all the features you will get. I have to explore more it, and you can also explore more in it, but you can see it's, you know, the response is faster than files one. And if you can also get all the options here, like the preview pan, like the normal one, this one, the default one, this is the default one, and this is thumb plus details. All the details is showing up here, including the thumb, and this is the detail. You can also select it, and so let's get an option to create a new folder here. So let's open download. It's already here. Okay, and right click, new, and folder. Let's call it test, and it's done now. And it is very fast. You can see here the options. It's very fast, and its response is very good. System tools as well, you will get task manager. Directly open the task manager from here, and we can check its utilization as well. So if you want to keep it on your file explorer, then you need to right click on it and simply pin to taskbar. And when you close it, let's say you close it, so let's close this. I don't need that since, okay, let's open it. Now you can see how fast it is opening up, and all the details, all the folders are showing up different, and all the features I have already shown you about this file explorer. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you have made your decision, and if you want to change the traditional Windows Explorer and you want to explore more on it, so you can choose whichever you like, Windows apps, this one, or the One Commander, whichever you like. Both the options are good for you, and some of the drawback I have already shown you about this. It's not working as expected, and somehow it is stucking, but interface is different, both of them, and it's showing the different options here. Restore previous version. You can close the pan like this. Okay, so I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.